Good afternoon. Today we're in Delphi Hills and behind me is the Mateo. Now, if you've watched my channel for any length of time, you'll know that I actually shot a video of this home when it was vacant. Well, now it has some furniture in it. I think it looks stunning. So I'm gonna do another walkthrough video in this home to show you the design, the layout, how it looks furnished, because some people can't picture a home, what would go where. So that's the purpose of putting some furniture in here. And it is an amazing floor plan, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, plus a bonus room, beautiful floor plan, pool home, corner lot, Delphi Hills. Let's go take a look at it. Excited to show you the Mateo furnished here in Delphi Hills. First of all, look at that really nice curb appeal. Deluxe landscape package, St. Augustine side. You can see the single car garage on the left, 2-car garage on the right. You've got a courtyard entry, and so pavered driveway. It's on a corner lot. And so Delphi Hills is an exclusive Hulbert Home community, gated right over off of Clubhouse Road. We've got some beautiful views. You can see North Lakeland from a distance here. I mean, we are up high on the mountain here in Lakeland. We don't have any mountains, I'm just kidding you, but we have some hills, which we're on one of those. Let's go see what this looks like furnished, which I think you'll be very pleased. First of all, look at the custom architecture. Whenever you build with Hulbert Homes, you get to choose a lot of this, your custom design. This one has a tile roof. You can do shingles, you can do all kind of different upgrades. So this one has a really nice sized courtyard. It kind of winds around here. And then additional area over here. Let's take a look inside. See why this is a fan favorite. Now this is a market-ready home, so it is currently on the market, available. How beautiful is this open design? Take a look at what they did with the ceiling here. Really modern, crown molding, real wood floors, nice open design. This area just looks really nice. Opened up to the pool area. We'll see that in just a minute. First of all, notice all the natural light. We do have some lights on here, but all the natural light coming from this area. Gorgeous kitchen. They do quite a job decorating. Drop a comment below you love the decorating, if you do love the decorating, because I know I sure do. So, a couple things. Stainless steel appliances. You're gonna see the gorgeous quartz countertops. Really nice design. All the modern lights. This is a market-ready home. So again, it's available. You get a 1-year builder warranty on the market-ready homes. If you build with Hulbert Homes, it is a 2-year full builder's warranty. And you're gonna notice these are all custom-built cabinets. And they've got the different colors on this side versus this side. We have natural gas here in Delphi Hills, so you don't see that a lot in Lakeland. So you can see this is a really nice Frigidaire. It's the Gallery series. And then the tile backsplash is really pretty. Big farm sink, and just love this, kind of like a brushed gold. They put the accent here on that matches these lights. Massive eat-in kitchen area with entertainment space here. I was gonna say for buffets, for entertaining. Put all your dishes here, have the whole family over. I pictured our Christmas get together, and I just thought of what a perfect place to put all the different casseroles. Actually, we'd have needed more because we had so much food to eat. It was so much fun. But nice open floor plan. French doors open to the pool this way. 3 windows overlooking the extended patio, pool. I'll show you outside here in a minute. So first of all, it's a triple bedroom split plan. What does that mean? This side of the home when you first walk in is gonna be your master bedroom and the bonus room and a half bath, okay? Back here, it's gonna be 2 bedroom and 1 bath. In the back of the house, this is the front, and the back of the house is another ensuite, full bedroom, nice walk-in closet, full bathroom. So really well laid out for intergenerational living if you wanna do that. All right, you've got your barometer. Let's now take a look at the home. So let's go to the master suite area, which is one of my favorite parts too, because this master bedroom is huge. First of all, look at the double doors. You can open up, but look at the size of this master bedroom. It's massive, absolutely gorgeous. Look at the tray ceilings with the crown molding, all the indirect lighting in here. Isn't that pretty? You can just leave that on at night if you want some soft lighting. And then French doors, and again, the beautiful hardwood floors. I love this master bath too, but this bedroom is huge. There you go. Who's ready for a swim in the Florida sunshine? You can still swim here even in December. Pool's a little cold because we've gotten in the 60s and 50s. Some of you think that's shorts weather. That's jacket weather for us Floridians. All right, take a look at the master bathroom, massive countertop area. Look at this, framed mirrors. And it looks every bit as long as it does on this video. It is just huge. 2 drawers, cabinet, middle drawer, and then the same setup over there. Even crown molding in the bathroom. I love that gorgeous fixture there. Now this is something that really is a nice upgrade. This wood little deck here to kind of prop the tub up on. Of course, you'd want to get a window treatment for that to have some privacy. And then here's a walk-in shower with dual heads, I should say. But this is really nice, the texture of this. Did a good job on all the fixtures, just to kind of give you an idea what it looks like. Oh, and this is really nice too. Look at that, they even got the towel ready, the shampoo. Okay, so let's try to stay out of the scene here. Couple things, you've got toilet room area here, water closet. Shut the door there, linen closet, and then check out the master bedroom closet. Really nice. Deluxe closet shelving, get a light fixture, and then it winds all the way around here with crown molding. Beautiful real wood floors. Now, I've also seen where you could put like a little piece of furniture right here. I've seen this custom built, or you could just drop a piece of furniture here for extra space to set stuff on top of, extra drawers maybe for belts, socks, what have you. It fits right here. You can still walk around this side of it. So if you can visualize that, it really does work in this closet because you've got a lot of floor space, a lot of walking space. Pocket door, so you can close that off. This is a half bath. So again, we're 3.5 bath. Just a little half bath here. Oh, meant to put that toilet lid down, excuse me. All right, walking into the bonus room. There's a closet here. We're not gonna call this a bedroom. There is a closet there. This is really more of a bonus room, as you'll see. It's huge, double windows, great for entertainment, hanging out, another sitting area. Love the paint colors in here. This goes to the single car garage, okay? So that's to the left-hand side of the home, the single car garage. But take a look at the nice size space here you get. That's overlooking the courtyard. So this is a really nice extra room. Double doors, you can close this off. All right, now we're gonna go to the right-hand side of the home. I'm saving the pool for last, if you're wondering. This has a Jack and Jill. So nice sized bedrooms. It's a little hard to tell from the video, but it goes pretty deep. And then you've got a nice sized closet here. This is a walk-in closet, look at that. Okay, put your TV up here, and then your Jack and Jill bath with quartz countertops, framed mirrors, nice deluxe plumbing, I should say faucets. Look at these are really pretty. Matches this, of course, very nicely. This is a tub shower combination. And the tile goes all the way up this way. So again, you've got pocket doors, because this is a Jack and Jill, so it goes right into this bedroom. Nice sized bedroom. They look to be about the same size. Another good sized closet over there. And then we'll come back down the hall. Except, you know what I'm gonna show you? I'm gonna come back here. This is gonna help you a little bit. Okay, we just went in this way, connected with the Jack and Jill, and came out that bedroom. All right, this is the one I wanted to show you. The laundry room is right here. I love this laundry room. Look at these tall cabinets. You got the sink. Who likes a nice laundry sink with extra folding space for your clothes? Full-size washer dryer. These are huge, tall cabinets, so plenty of storage in there. It's all soft close. So that's all of the cabinets are, because they're all custom built. So everything is soft close. This is all your alarm system. A lot of your cables for your internet are hidden, tucked behind here in it nicely in a box, which is the internet people love that. All right, so we looked in those Jack and Jill. Storage closet here. Here's a mud room. So this is great for backpacks, for shoes. Again, wood floors throughout. This is really nice. Security system. And then I didn't show you the other garage. It's just a basic garage, but I say that. Let me turn the lights on here. It does have the epoxy flooring. That's the same in the other garage. In this single car, this is a 2-car. So 3 full cars. Look at the high ceilings. This is a really elevated floor plan. Door to go outside, like a service door. 2 breaker panels, pull down attic stairs. So you could store a little bit of items up there. Not a ton of room, but there is room. Okay, so you can tell it's a large home. And then we'll go to the back of the home and then we'll head outside. So this is the ensuite. It's a great mother-in-law suite, teenage suite. I promised I'd show you this closet. This one is a nice sized walk-in closet, deeper than the other 2 bedrooms. Very deep. Long and skinny, but really nice size. Good lighting too. And then this bathroom is the 3rd bath. It's an ensuite. Same color combination, which is so classy looking. This has a tub shower combination also, same as the other one, right? And then linen closet for this particular closet, which has got some depth to it. So linen closet, and then this is gonna go out, which I'm gonna show you that in a minute. I'll show you the outside, so let's head out there. Let's go see that Florida pool. And then we will be about done. But we're having a gorgeous day here. Look at this. Oh my goodness. You know why everybody moves to Florida? It is December the 21st, 78 degrees out. What's your temperature looking like? Don't throw hate at me, please, but just drop your temperature below. Be nice. I'm your friendly realtor here in Lakeland, Florida. I've been here my whole life, although we did move to Oklahoma for about 1.5 years. Did not like Oklahoma. People were nice, didn't like the weather. And then we lived in the Orlando area for about 1.5 years. That was just Florida, basic Florida. But today in Lakeland, it's absolutely stunning out. It's gorgeous. And I can tell you, we're loving this. All right, I'm off track, sorry. This was the door to that 3rd bathroom that we just showed you. I call the mother-in-law suite. That comes out right here. It's a little small patio. Stair, little patio things to go out to the yard if you want to. But what they did here is, you can see they put these privacy screens, which is great. So you have great privacy. You don't see your neighbors behind you. And this pool is awesome, but hold on, let me come back before we wrap up. Here, look at the wood ceilings. A Hulbert staple. You've got the wood, the real tongue and groove, beautiful custom built wood ceilings. Pre-wired for speakers, and then this beautiful pool, tastefully decorated. And then we finish up here. Little fridge, sink, quartz countertops. And that is it. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of the beautiful Mateo by Hulbert Homes. Thank you so much for tuning into this walkthrough video. If you like this video, drop a comment below what your favorite part of this home was. And if you want to subscribe to this channel whenever I drop more walkthrough videos like this one, or valuable information about buying or selling in Central Florida, hey, let's connect, talk about your situation. Let me know your favorite feature of this home. There are many to choose from. Drop a comment below, share this with a friend. God bless, have a great day. Whether selling or buying, you gotta call Brian.